In our today's list of IPO, we are going to discuss on Cartrade Tech Limited, which is aiming to raise 2,999 crores. There are no issuing of fresh equity shares, and this total rupees 2,999 crores is through offer for sale by existing shareholders. Hi friends, myself Shiva from Alphins. Our aim is to raise your financial awareness through the videos we make on behalf of Alphins channel. Please subscribe to Alphins YouTube channel and follow the Facebook page to achieve financial freedom. While late, let's begin the topic. Now, let us see little info about the company. Cartrade Tech Limited is a multi-channel auto platform which covers and presents across vehicle types and value-added services. Cartrade Tech is an automotive portal for cars where we can buy and sell new and used cars. The company operates various brands such as Carwala, Cartrade, Shriram Automail, Bikewala, Cartrade Exchange, Android Auto and Autobiz. Its consumers platform had an average of 29.96 million unique visitors per month. The main objective of the IPO is to create an automotive digital ecosystem which connects automotive customers, EOM, original equipment manufacturers, dealers, banks, insurance companies and other stakeholders. Vinay Sanghi is the chairman, managing director and CEO of the company. Company has a strong management team with significant industry experience. Now we will see strengths and strategies of Cartrade Tech. Cartrade Tech Limited is a leading platform for automotive sales with a synergistic ecosystem. Carwale and Bikewala rank number 1 on relative online search popularity when compared to their key competitors over the period from April 2020 to March 2021. Now coming to company financials, Cartrade Tech revenues and profits are growing year on year with increasing demand for usage of cars as per modern lifestyle. You can see the figures for the past 3 years. Profits for financial year 2021 has crossed 100 crores with an EPS showing at 19.1. Based on the reported EPS of 19.1 in financial year 21, the valuation is at 84.5 times to earnings, at the higher end of the IPO price, which is somewhat higher, but it gives a scope for investors to invest for long term with higher demand. The company is performing well with its funds and expected to grow with same performance in future as well, with increase in sophisticated and comfort of human living. Many of the financial experts giving proceed button to apply for Cartrade Tech IPO. Now coming to quota allotted. The company, in consultation with the merchant bankers, decided to reserve up to 50% of the offer for qualified institutional buyers, up to 15% for non-institutional bidders, and up to 35% for retail institutional bidders. The minimum application that can be made by an investor would be 9 equity shares and thereafter in multiples of 9 equity shares. Retail investors can invest a minimum of rupees 14,562 per lot and a maximum investment would be rupees 1,89,306 for maximum of 13 lots at the higher end of the price band, as they are allowed to invest up to maximum 2 lakhs. Now coming to main part, that is Cartrade Tech IPO details. IPO price band 1585 to 1618 per equity share. IPO opening date 9th August, IPO closing date 11th August, allotment date 17th August, initiation of refunds 18th August and shares which are going to listed on NSE, that is 23rd August 2021. Axis Capital, Citigroup Markets for India Private Limited, Kotak Investment Banking, Nomura Link InTime are the global coordinators and book runners lead managers to this IPO. Friends, hope you got the basic details of the IPO. Once again, save the date for Cartrade Tech IPO and subscribe to become the shareholder in the company. Don't have a Demat account to subscribe for Cartrade Tech IPO? While late, click on the the Demat account opening link given in the description below and subscribe to Cartrade Tech IPO as a good start. Friends, I hope you are clear with the topic. If so, please like and share the video. Also subscribe the Alphins YouTube channel and follow the Facebook page. Moreover, if you have any doubts about financial products, please don't hesitate to post your query in the comment box and click on the bell symbol next to each video to receive future uploaded video notifications. Friends, last one. If you want to clear your queries on stock market and mutual funds, you can also call me directly to my contact number displayed on the screen below from morning 10 AM to evening 6 PM on working days. Thank you.